We've mandated CSCS in most of our business since 2007, so it's just a natural progression, a continuation of what we were doing before. I think the added value recently has come from the fact the process of checking cards is mechanised. It's done automatically when people enrol on our workforce management systems. Definitely recommend Smart Check. It's the best way to make sure people have got the appropriate core competencies. As the Industry Competence Committee establishes the benchmarks for core competencies for installers and others, it's going to be the system that we use to actually check that we're compliant with those requirements.